Hi there. In this video, I want to talk about how to make more money in business as a social enterprise. In other words, what the question is answering is this: how can I become more sustainable over the long haul? And it's a topic that I've been advocating for a while now in the social enterprise space, because a lot of people think just because they're doing some economic good or some social good or some environmental good, that means that money will just come flowing. Sometimes it works that way, but most of the time it doesn't work that way. You got to be focused on how you're going to make money. You got to have a strategy that dictates to you how you are going to make money. So I want to look at 5 ideas or so that I think opens up the possibilities for you to start generating further income as a social enterprise. All right. The first idea is selling services. Now, when I talk about selling services, it's not necessarily the services that your organization can offer. It could be the services that the founder or co-founder can offer as a means of subsidizing the income that comes into the business, or as a means of generating an income. Let me give an example of what I'm talking about. Let's say a social enterprise is set up to actually address issues around the disabled or around specifically autism. For example, let's say you've set up a school that is educating children or adults with autism. Now, and you need some more money to become into the business. Let's say you as a founder, you are an excellent web designer. There is hardly much connection between both, apart from the fact that obviously you need a good website to run the business that you're doing, particularly if you're trading online. But you will notice that there's no exact correlation between those two things: the idea that you're working on and the skill that you have. So that person can set up a business that delivers web services to organizations or to a particular group of client they've chosen to work with, and then charge for that price. Well, one might argue that you might deliver it to autistic, other autistic companies or agencies, perhaps. But even if that skill doesn't relate, as long as that skill is marketable, I'm advising you to set up a business that generates money with that particular skill. All right, that's the first way: using your skill and selling your skill as a service to others. All right. The second way that you can make money is by selling courses, by delivering workshops, perhaps staying with the idea of working with autistic adults or children. Well, you may have parents that may want to come in and learn how to deal with their children who are autistic. Or you might want to sell courses to perhaps corporations or organizations that have autistic people working with them. You might want to train them. So you're selling courses, you're selling workshops, you are selling digital products as well. Could be part of what you're selling as courses for that. And it could be, going back to the example we gave earlier on, it could be that you're selling courses that are based around web design, or that are based around SEO, or creating funnels, whatever, because you could come from that background. That could be the second way of generating an income to subsidize whatever you're getting. Now, the third topic that I can talk about is selling books, creating literature, either digital literature, audio literature, or hard copy literature. For example, selling books on Amazon. I've got a course on how to write your first book, so you can take a look at my videos. You will learn about that. It will teach you the step-by-step approach towards selling books on Amazon. At the time of recording this, Amazon is still the biggest publishing house in the world, if you want to call it that, because you can release your digital copy, your hard copy, your paper copy, sometimes even your CD copies. At the time of recording this, even though it's we're past the CD age, well, some people are still buying CDs, and of course the audio copy through Audible. So watch my video on that, or go over to Udemy. You'll find my course on how to write your first book. You'll be able to find out about that. But books are still selling, so you can write books on any topic. It could be that, using the example we were using, you could be somebody who writes very good novels. You could write detective novels. Hey, that sells in droves. So do use your ability to generate an income right there. The fourth way is to sell consultancy. Sell consultancy services. Either you're going to consult for, using the examples we're giving, other autistic organizations. You are talking to them, helping them to develop their strategy because you are the kind of person that has done that. Hey, that's a good way of making money. You could be selling consultancy services in other areas simply because you have the expertise to do so. That is a way of generating an income. And then finally, here is one that people overlook the most, that every business should be engaged in investing in other opportunities that come along, investing in maybe cryptocurrency even, but be careful about that. Okay, investing in stocks and shares, investing in bonds, just investing in startups. It could be a way for you to actually generate more income. So I've covered 5 ways for you to generate income as a social enterprise. Let's go from the top now. Number 1, selling services, and those services do not have to relate to your core business. It could be from an ability or gift that you have. Selling courses, selling books, selling consultancy, and finally, investing money. All right, if there's any other way that you can think of, please put it in the description box because I would love to know about that. Otherwise, do subscribe to the channel if you like it. If you like what you've heard, then do like it. If you like it, then share it. And I'll speak to you soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you.